What's up guys, Jim here. Today I'm going to show you how to replace Ford Mondeo Mk3 rear disc and pads. To start off, we're going to remove this wheel. Once the wheel is removed, you want to grab yourself a 13 and a 15mm spanner and undo both of the caliper bolts. There's one at the top and one at the bottom of the caliper as well. New pads always come with new bolts, so you can just chuck the old ones away. And then you want to get your pry bar and you want to lever off the caliper to expose the old pads. And we're going to use the pry bar again just to wiggle out the old pads from where they're sitting. Once the old pads are removed, you want to grab your pry bar and remove the pad guides or shims, whatever you want to call them. Pull them off, you get new ones with the new pads, so you can chuck them away as well. And this is a good opportunity for you to clean the caliper carrier after you've removed the shims, before removing the carrier itself. Okay, once you've cleaned the carrier, what you want to do is make sure these slides move freely in and out. Remove them, put a bit of copper grease on there to make sure they don't seize up in the future, pop them back in. Right, now grab yourself a 15mm and a bar, because these bolts are tight, and remove the two caliper carrier bolts so that we can remove the caliper carrier, and it will allow us then to be able to pull the disc off. Right, before we can pull the disc off, we need to undo the disc screw itself. That's a T47. You're going to need an impact hammer, an impact screwdriver. Give it a good smack, it should come undone. If you're unlucky and it's really seized in, you might need heat on it. Most of the time they do come out though. Once you've pulled that out, then pull the disc off. If it's still a bit tight, grab your hammer, and on the rear face of the disc, give it a good smack, persuade it to come off. With the disc off, we can clean the hub face, grease that with copper grease. We can also now move the caliper pistons back using a brake rewind tool. Make sure to move it back fully so that the pads can sit in there, and make sure not to twist the piston gaiter itself. If it looks like it's going to twist, use a bit of lube on it. Should go without saying really, but always check the new parts you fit into the vehicle are exactly the same as the old parts. Okay, so fit the new disc. Once you've fitted the new disc, we're going to copper grease the hub part where the alloy sits of the disc as well. Make sure you can get the wheels off in the future. And we're going to fit the caliper carrier again. And then we're going to get the new guides and shims. We're going to fit those. I always like to put the silver shim with the hole in it at the bottom. Realistically it won't really make any difference, but that's the way I like to do it. Okay, now we're moving on to the pads. We're going to fit the new pads. On the inner pad you want to copper grease the ends of it and the middle where the piston sits. And then you're going to grab the outer pad and you're going to copper grease just the ends only. You don't need to go crazy and copper grease the whole pad, just the ends will do. And obviously refit all your new caliper bolts. That's it, job done, simple. Be sure to smash that subscribe button. If you like the video, leave a like, comment below, and I'll see you next time. Peace!